Hey everyone! Did you know that ginger has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine and is now one of the top superfoods among health enthusiasts? That's right. This humble root packs a serious punch when it comes to health benefits, and today we're diving into 5 of them that might just blow your mind. Now let's talk about ginger. It's not just a tasty ingredient in your favorite dishes. It's a powerful superfood with a rich history. From ancient Chinese medicine to modern health trends, ginger has been celebrated for its incredible benefits. It's no wonder that more and more people are buzzing about it. So let's find out what makes ginger so special. But before we get into the benefits, let's address a common problem many of us face: health issues. Whether it's annoying inflammation, those pesky digestive problems, or just feeling low on energy, these challenges can really take a toll on our daily lives. With so many people looking for natural remedies to tackle these issues, it's essential to explore options that can help. That's where ginger comes into play. All right, let's get into the good stuff. The 5 health benefits of ginger. First up, we have its amazing anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that ginger can help reduce inflammation in the body, making it a fantastic option for people suffering from arthritis or chronic pain. Next, it's a digestive aid. Ginger has been known to soothe an upset stomach and reduce nausea, which is why it's often recommended for those morning sickness bouts. Moving on, ginger is an immune booster. With its rich antioxidant content, it helps strengthen the immune system and fight off infections. Fourth on our list is pain relief. Whether it's muscle soreness after a workout or headaches, ginger can help ease discomfort. And last but definitely not least, there's emerging research suggesting that ginger may even have cancer-fighting properties. How cool is that? But here's the kicker. One of the most surprising benefits of ginger is its potential to improve brain function and protect against age-related damage. That's right. Studies suggest that ginger can enhance cognitive function and may even help protect against Alzheimer's. Mind-blowing, right? Incorporating ginger into your diet could be a game-changer for your overall health. So, to wrap it all up, we've covered 5 incredible health benefits of ginger: its anti-inflammatory properties, digestive aid, immune support, pain relief, and even its potential cancer-fighting abilities. Adding ginger to your diet could really lead to some significant health improvements. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried ginger, and what benefits have you experienced? Drop your stories in the comments below. And if you're interested in exploring more natural health remedies, make sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun and informative content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.